Hello, hi everyone. SNIS International School is introducing the Google Classroom so that it helps to give individual attention to every child. So here is a small video how the children can submit their home assignment, or what we can also call it as homework. Yes, now we can see the step 1. As you can see on the screen, you need to go to Play Store. Okay, first go to the Play Store and download Google Classroom. You need to install this app, which is not going to consume much of your MB. This app is very authenticated as it is from the Google itself. Now we come to step 2, everyone. Here in step 2, once you install the Google Classroom app, as you can see on the screen, you will get the Get Started icon. Click on the Get Started icon and your app is ready. Now we come to step 3, where you would have received a link for every subject in your respective online class group. I repeat, you would have received a link for every subject in your respective online class group. Now you have to click the link subject wise, which is blue in color, one by one. For example, once you click the English link, you enter the classroom. So your English classroom is ready. Next, you would have received another link, for example for subject EVS. So you click that particular link, which is in blue in color, and your EVS classroom also is ready. So this way, the number of subjects your child is taking classes for would be having one particular link, and every classroom would be ready according to subject wise. Now we are in step 4, where you can see the right hand side screen, which shows different subjects. So for example, if your child is in class 4, they have 6 subjects. So all the 6 subjects would appear on the screen in a single classroom. So this is the advantage, where in a single classroom you have all the subjects involved, like for example English, Kannada, Hindi, mathematics, science and social science. Now next, what you can observe is in step 5, suppose the teacher has assigned the homework. Example, the teacher has assigned EVS homework for that day. Click on the EVS classroom and you can see the window as in the video. Below there are 3 options as stream, classwork, people. You need to only click on classwork option, which is ticked marked in the video. You get the teacher assigned homework, click on it, but do not touch either stream or people. Now we go to the next page, that is step 6. Once you click on the respective homework, you see the homework along with the questions. To answer the homework, swipe up the screen of your phone as shown with the black arrowhead near which says your work. Now we come to step number 7. Once you swipe the screen, you get the page as seen on the screen. Here there is add attachment, mark as done, add private comment. Now only what you have to do is click on the add attachment to submit the homework and do not touch the other 2. I repeat once again, click only on the add attachment and do not touch the other 2 options. Okay, now we are in step 8. Now it's actually time to upload your homework. You can directly upload the homework photo by going to the option Take Photo. If you have already taken a pic, go to the respective folder. Example, if the pic is in the drive, you click on the drive and you can choose the photo. If not, you can also directly take a photo where you can see the option there, Take Photo, and you can upload it. This is how you can upload the homework. Now we come to the next step, that is after uploading what you need to do. That is after submission of the homework, now you are able to see what you have uploaded. Now if the homework is only one page, you can directly click Turn in. But suppose if the homework is more than one page, then again you have to click on Add Attachment and repeat what you repeated in step 8. Now the final step, that is finally after all attachments, click on Turn in. Your home assignment would be submitted. So now you might be wondering how the teachers would correct it. Your corrected homework you can see in the same page itself, where you would receive a notification. Okay. Yes, so this is how the child is submitting the homework and the teacher would be correcting the homework. Yes, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great time. Have a great day.